Hi, I'm Chris Gumas. Welcome back to Ruland's Collar and Coupling Corner, the only weekly show that answers your shaft collar and coupling questions. This week's question comes to us from a user in Savannah, Georgia. They write, "What do you mean by bores can be unanodized?" This question frequently comes up with bellows, disc, and Oldham couplings that have a standard anodized finish. If we do not have the right bore size or bore and keyway size in stock, we have the ability to remanufacture the part same day. Since we don't do the anodize in-house, this means the coupling would have a plain aluminum finish as opposed to the standard anodized finish. The two primary drawbacks to not having anodize are aesthetics and corrosion resistance. Aesthetics is completely up to the customer. Corrosion resistance in most servo applications isn't necessary to the level that anodizing provides. If you need the coupling urgently, no anodize should be acceptable. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.